This time we're going to learn how to say I love you in Cebuano. So when you really say I love you in Cebuano, that's very deep. In Cebuano, you're going to say Nahigugma ko nimo. Nahigugma ko nimo. Na-hi-gugma. That means love. Ko means I. Nimo means you. Nimo. Nahi-gugma. Ko Nimo means I love you. Nahigugma ko nimo. Okay, when you say I love you very much, nahigugma ko pag-ayo nimo. That's how you're going to say. Nahigugma ko pag-ayo means very much. Nimo day. Okay, so if you're going to say it in a girl, nahigugma ko pag-ayo nimo day. Look at in the eyes. Nahigugma ko pag-ayo nimo day. Okay, that's how you're going to say it. I love you. So I hope you're going to say that in your loved ones. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. This is Francis Imoy. Bye-bye.